Hey guys, so today we are going to make this simple macrame wreath ornament for Christmas, and I have my 2.25 inch ring right here. I've cut 7 feet of my cord. This is a 2mm 3-ply, and I found the center point. We're just going to make a simple lark's head knot, so pull that through there. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to separate the cords, and with this one I'm just going to go over that loop, and then I'm going to go in behind and pull that through. And to finish each one, I'm going to go behind. So it's like that. And then I'm going to bring it down through that loop and pull it tight. So once more we go over and come out through that loop. And then behind, we come up over and go through that loop once more. Oops. So once as I have about 6-7 inches, I'm going to turn it to the other side and I'm going to start working this way. It's the same thing, just in the opposite direction. So we're going to go over, pull it right through, and then we'll do the same but from behind. So we go behind and pull that rope through that front loop and nice and tight. Now that I've brought them together, I'm just going to take a second and arrange them nicely. Okay. I've cut one small piece of masking tape, and I am just going to, oops. First I will trim these to be the same length. There we go. I'm going to tape these ends together. This just makes putting it through the bead a heck of a lot easier. There you go. Now this bead I just got from the dollar store. You can see that it has that wide opening, and that's why I chose these ones. I'm just going to push it through. Oh, also, you can put a knot right there to hold that into place. Yeah, but my preference is not to do that. But it's just an option in case you want to give it a try. Now I'm just going to take this, make a loop, pull it through to whichever length I want the hanger to be. And it's done.